So we want to welcome all the surfers. Guys, the wave pool is the newest innovation in surfing education. Dito, sobrang dali magturo mag-surfing. Sobrang dali rin para sa mga estudyante. Kasi yung alon hindi nagbabago. Pare-pareho lang yung shape. Yung size, tamang-tama lang para sa beginner. Pero pwede rin pang-practice para sa mga surfers na marunong na mag-surf. Dito po ako natuto mag-longboard, mag-cross step, mag-bottom turn, mag-board control. It's the safest place to go surfing. Walang mga jellyfish, there's no sharks. Yung mga iniingatan lang dito yung mga coaches. Medyo makukulit, si EJ. Right now you have one of our surfers from Real Quezon. One of the first local surfers from Real Quezon in the water there with Marcella Lyon. She's one of our Maninis. She's only 8 years old and she learned to surf here in Lopez.
And we have Alvin Martito trying out the wave pool for the first time. This guy is a champion from D1. He won the last Odyssey Wave competition. Pero tingnan natin kung kahit itong mga alam natin. Kasi medyo maliit compared to D1. But like I said, the value, the educational value of this wave pool is so invaluable to surf training. Dito lang sa dagat, hindi mo kailangan na magiging alon kasi pare-pareho yung shape ng alon. We only bring our students to about 5 feet deep. So we have students who don't even know how to swim, pero marunong na sila mag-surf. Believe it or not, we have about maybe 20 or 25 students who do not know how to swim, but they already know how to surf. This, like I said, this is safe to learn. There's no rip currents, dangerous rip currents. There's no dangerous marine life. No jellyfish, no sea urchin, no coral reefs.
That means I can.
And isang tindog lang, may alon na. Tingnan mo, yan ito yung mga set. And another advantage of the wave pool is the consistency of the waves. As you can see, there's a wave popping out of the machine every second. So, there we go, we got a lot of guys excited to try it out. We have a left-hand point break and a right-hand point break on either side. We got Marcella Lyon, one of Philippine Surfer Academy's Wahini, riding a wave all the way inside. There she goes. So as you can see, someone safety even for kids. Then we have EJ Ventura, a PSA head coach, demonstrating some cross-stepping. So medyo nakakapanibago yung alon dito kasi fresh water siya. So mas mahirap makahabol ng alon dito. Mas mabigat yung paddle. So talagang nakakatulong siya for career thing. And then yung time dito iba sa dagat. Hindi ka namin naningin sa likod para makita yung alon. Sunod-sunod po kasi yung alon dito. So ang style dito is iharap mo na yung board mo, point your board toward the shore, and then just let the first wave pass, and as soon as the wave passes into your surfboard, you have to immediately start paddling for the next wave so you can catch that wave. So the beauty about teaching and learning here in the wave pool is that everything is calculated, because everything is identical, all the waves are identical, and you can't cheat here. You have to paddle hard if you want to catch the wave. And if you can catch the wave here in the wave pool on your own, that means you're ready. You're ready to catch the wave with yourself.